Good evening. I'm Hashanna Nayaka. Couple of weeks back, I talked about how to add, subtract, and multiply the algebraic term. Today, I thought of discussing more of those problems on addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So, I thought of doing some mixed word problems. So, let me take some examples for about 4 to 5 sums. Okay, let me start. First example. Tisara scored 25 runs. Angelo scored 10x runs. How many runs were scored by the two in total? Okay, Tisara scored the runs. Tisara scored is equal to 25. The runs Angie scored is equal to 10x. The total runs to find the total runs, we have to add 25 to 10x. So the answer is 25 plus 10x. Can we add these two terms? Can we add these two terms? 25 means a number term. 10x means an algebraic term. This is an x term and this is a number term. So can we add number term with an algebraic term to get a final answer? As these are unlike terms, we can't progress further than that. Okay, so the final answer here is this expression. More than that we can't simplify. So when we add 10x to 25, just the expression is the final answer. We can't get a single term to get the sum of 25 and 10x. So the final answer is 25 plus 10x. Okay. Next example. Okay, second question. Malinga ate 7 apples. 7 apples. Just think 7 apples. X of those were rotten. Oh, X of those were rotten. How many apples of good condition did he eat? Okay. The number of apples Malinga ate means 7. The apples that which were rotten is equal to x. So to find the apples of good condition, we have to subtract the number of rotten apples from the number of apples marking the A. So the rotten apple means x. Total apples marking 8 means 7. So to find the apples under good condition, what we have to do is we have to subtract x from 7. So 7 minus x is the answer. More than that we can't simplify because the two terms are different to each other. One is an algebraic term, other one is a number term. So two terms are different, unlike terms, so we can't progress. This is the final answer, 7 minus x. We can't get to a single term, single digit. So this is the final answer. Next example. Next example is Chamika drank 2A cups of tea. Dasun drank 5 times of those. How many cups did Dasun drink? Okay. The cups of tea Chamika drank equals 2A. The cups of tea Dasun drank means 5 times of 2A. Dasun drank 5 times of the cups Chamika drank. So what we have here, 5 times of 2A means 5 times 2A means this is the product. We can simplify this further. Before that, let me explain a small trick. During the last video, we know that 2 times A can be written like 2A. If we multiply a number term with an algebraic term, we can combine those two. So 2 times A can be written like 2A. Same as we can write 2A breaking like 2 times A. We can break 2A as 2 times A. 2 times A means 2A, likewise 2A means 2 times A. So I am going to do this here. 5 times 2A can be written like 2 times A, like in here. Now we can multiply 5 by 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times A. So 10 times A means 2 times A is 2A, likewise 10 times A means 10A. Or we can straight away get the answer. 5 times 2 is 10, 10A. 5 times 2 is 10, times A means 10A. So this is the final answer of the number of cups Dasun drank. Another example. Fourth sum. Marwan has exploits. Marwan has X bets. His son has doors. How many beds does his son have? The number of beds. Marwan has is equal to x. The number of beds Marwan's son has. Okay. Marwan's son has half of the beds that Marwan has. Okay. If Marwan has 4 beds, his son has half of 4. Half of 4 means we have to divide 4 by 2. So it will be 2. If the number of beds Marwan has means 8, we have to divide 8 by 2 to get the half of it. It is equal to 4. If the Marwan has 10 beds means we have to get the half, we have to divide 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. Likewise, if we are asked to find half of x means we have to divide x by 2. If we are asked to find half of y means we have to divide y by 2. If we are asked to divide t beds by if we are asked to find half of t means it is t divided by 2. Okay, so here answer is x divided by 2. More than that we can't simplify because we don't know the value of x, because x is an algebraic term. So we can't divide x by 2 for sure because x is an unknown term. So when we divide x by 2, more than that we can't simplify. So the number of beds Marwan's son has mean x slash 2, x upon 2. Keep this in mind as well. Okay, final sum for today. Final sum for today. Sangha owns X houses. Sangha owns X houses. Dilshan owns five more houses than that. How many houses do both of them own? Okay. The number of houses Sangha owns is equal to x. Same as the number of houses Dilshan owns means what? Sangha owns x houses. Dilshan owns 5 more than that. 5 more than x. Sangha owns x houses. Dilshan owns 5 more than that of Sangha's. 5 more means we have to add 5 to x. Okay, 5 to x. So answer is x plus 5. Number of houses Sangha owns is x. the number of houses Dilshan knows means, so 5 more than x means x plus 5. So the number of houses, both of them own means we have to add x and x plus 5 together. So it will be x plus 5. This is the number of house Sangon, this is the number of house Dilshan. So x plus 5, so it is x plus 5. Okay, x and x are like terms. Okay, x and x can be added. X means 1x. Okay, x means 1x. I talked about this couple of videos ago. Here also in front of it is 1. Just x means it is 1x. If it is 2x, just 2x. But when there is no number in front of x or no coefficient, then the number in front of x means 1. X means 1x. Y means 1y. So likewise here x means 1x. Here this x means also 1x plus 5. X and x, or 1x and 1x all together 2x plus 5. Can we add these two terms? Now the next question. Okay, we have done so many sums and we know algebraic term cannot be added with a number term. Okay, so more than that we can't simplify, so we can't progress more. So this is the final answer, 2x plus 5. Both of them own this many number of houses. Keep it in mind. That's all for today. Thank you.